Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know.
Hey, what's up? It's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys my daily makeup, the daily transformation that I have, the magical moment that happens in a daily basis. If you're part of the Monolid family, we have the biggest before and after makeup transformations, I feel like. So let's get it over. And I also wanted to introduce some new makeup products that I have been using. And if you guys want to join the fam, please go subscribe. And if you want to be part of my life, go follow me on Instagram. First, I'm going to put sunscreen. I'm not really going outside today, but still I'm gonna be like right in front of my window over there. So I will still be seeing sunlight. So I need to put sunscreen. For foundation, I'm gonna use Clinique. This is really lightweight and it has good coverage, like it's buildable coverage. So if you want light coverage, like it still works right now. Like this is just one, but I could build it up because you could still see my scars. And this is a serum foundation, which it just sounds like it's good for your skin. I will say that this is pretty matte. If you see, there's not too much glow going on. Dang, nice coverage, she's looking good. And the color is matching me really well. Then I'm gonna use the Etude House contour. Just gonna grab like these two. I just mix it. Then I'm gonna slim down the edge of my nose. Dang, look at that shade. That looks good. Do you see that? Do you see how slim it got? And then the excess just like kind of blend it down so it's not too harsh. Now with the darker one, I'm gonna cut the edge here so that my nose could look a little shorter. I'm not gonna connect it with my eyebrows. I'm just gonna go right here. Oh my gosh, my image already like changed so much by that. And then I'm gonna just blend it out now. And then kind of downward. And I'm gonna make a little bridge right there. So that my nose could look shorter and my tip could look higher. Now with the flatter brush, I'm gonna get the dark one from the top. And then just blend it down. And then a little bit right here. And then a highlighter on my nose. Make that pointy. It's really giving me that rhino nose, you know? A little bit right here. And then next for blush, I'm gonna use this palette, the blush right down here. From the bottom of my eye, I'm just gonna bring it down, kind of like a square like that. Boom, boom. It's also good when you're trying to cover your dark circles. Nice. This blush placement has been the most trendiest these days, and I can't go back to the normal one. I feel like this really like fits my face shape. A little bit on my nose tip, and then a little bit on my chin. Cute. Moving on to the brow, I'm gonna use Anastasia Ebony. I'm gonna brush it first. Draw the front. It's really unnatural right now, but it's okay. And then outline the back. I've been going more for the arch eyebrows these days because apparently it suits my face shape better. And then from here, I'm just gonna blend everything. Do you guys see how natural it became after I brushed it off? Okay, we are done with the brow, so let's finally move on to our eye makeup. I'm gonna use this Egg Side Maker by Etude House. And then I'm gonna go like this, and you see the line naturally coming out. And then kind of blend it out with my hand. I kind of left like maybe like 2 millimeters in the front, and then started from here, and then like 2/3 of my eyeball. My egg side kind of doesn't exist, but now she has a whole worm under her eyes. Okay, let's move on to eyeshadow. Guys, I've been using this palette from rom&nd. This came out as a collab with this character, I forget the name. So I got this palette last summer, but I don't think I've ever introduced it to my YouTube, but it has been my daily for like months now. And if you're into color analysis, this is just the definition of a cool tone eyeshadow palette. And as a cool tone girly, this is just my palette. I'm gonna mix this one and this one, going over my outer side of the eye, under eye. I'm kind of gonna overlap it with my Egg side, gradually stop right here. And the excess, blend it with my blush. And now with the lighter shade, I'm just gonna go all over the top, just very lightly as my base color. Now I'm gonna grab this color right here. This is gonna be my main color. Just gonna do it all over my eyelid. For my Monolid girlies, you guys need to be able to see it when you open your eyes, okay? Just like that. It's coming. It's coming. Trust the process. And now I'm gonna use these two colors. For those that like to be a little bit more smoky, you could go with the black, but I do want to be a little bit, like a slightly more natural. So I'm just gonna mix these two. So now I'm gonna get the darker one and only emphasize on the outer part of my eye. But make sure the black eyeshadow is not going like straight out, but it's following your eye shape, okay? So right now it's kind of like going down. And this kind of gives like a little outline for my eyeliner as well, so it's really helpful. Ow! I poked my eye. And then with the cleaner side of the brush, I'm gonna blend it with the main. As usual, I'm going to use my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. They need to sponsor me or something. For my Monolid girlies, we're not gonna start from here. We're gonna start a little bit above that because we don't want that eyeliner to be curvy. We want that straight eyeliner. Oh, it's kind of long today. Oops. And then I'm gonna just connect it like that. The inner side of my eye is gonna be thin as possible. And I'm gonna open my eye, see if the back part of the eyeliner shows. We don't want the eyeliner to be thick throughout the whole thing. We want it to get thinner. You know when Monolid girlies close your eyes and it's like, whoa, her eyeliner's so thick. But if you have the inner side thinner, it kind of prevents you from that kind of look. And then we need the edge to be skinny again to avoid that whoa eyeliner. Just like that. This side done as well. I try to match it so they both got kind of long. Now it's time for eyelashes. I've been using Every Lashes Patent Pending. This is my go-to, my favorite lashes that exist out there. So if you guys never tried this one, I do highly recommend. And yes, I've been using falsies as a daily because you guys know the Etude House that I always use. This hasn't been giving. I don't know why. So guys, if you guys know a good mascara for like Monolid or like Asian eyes, please tell me. So I'm gonna curl my eyelashes just a little bit so that it's not distracting the eyelashes. I just cut one on the shorter side. And I'm gonna use a dual lash glue. Apply it from the middle and then the front and then the back. Do you guys see the difference that it's giving me? Like eyelashes is really important for Monolid makeup, especially because we lack on eyelashes. Because it's literally eating up the whole thing. So I think like falsies or mascara, it's a must for Monolid makeup. And you can see why I like these lashes, right? They're really curled and it wraps around my whole eyelid because it's so curled. And on top of that, on the good days, it gives me that double eyelid. I got both eyes done now. Next, I'm gonna curl my bottom lashes. Boom, 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 boom. Ow. Like I don't have a lot of bottom lashes, but if I don't curl it, it just literally doesn't show because they're so straight. So might as well just curl it a little bit and work with the little lashes that you have. I don't think you're able to see, but yeah, they're curled, but they're really short. We can't leave the bottom empty while our top is popping off. Okay, there you go. I just have like little spider legs going on. And now last for my eyes, I'm gonna add some glitter. I'm gonna mix the white and the gold. I'm gonna apply it right on the aegyo side area, like the front 2/3 of my eye. And then also the inner corner. Nice! She's shiny, and adding that glitter really emphasizes the aegyo side, and my eyes look so much bigger now. Now onto the last part, I'm gonna go to my lips now. I have chapstick on already. And for the main, I'm going to use the Etude Dear Darling tint so it could stain my lips. Dun dun dun. I just dot it and blend it really fast. And I blend out the edges too, and I make it blurry. And then I like to put it above my lip, like here. And then just blend it out. And now the colors are kind of uneven. So from here, I'm gonna use the MAC. Almost like very nude type. And kind of tone down this tint and do a full lip. But from here, I wanna emphasize the corners just a little bit. Doing that, it makes my corner of my lip to go a little bit higher. And it looks like I'm like smiling when I'm not even smiling. And we're done! All right, the makeup is done. What do you guys think? Is it worth the time that I spent doing makeup every morning? This kind of transformation, and I have the ability to do it. Why not? Why not? But honestly, I feel like a lot of you guys might think that I take super long in the morning. Actually, makeup wise, I only take like 30 to 35 minutes, which is really short for like everything that I do. But this is a daily transformation that I have, and I really hope this is helpful for you guys because I believe it's possible for anybody, so you could do it too. And if you do actually try this makeup on, like, send me a picture. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment section, or you could DM me separately. And don't forget to give this a like and to subscribe if you want to see more of my Monolid adventures or my lifestyle adventures. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know.